Actually, that might be what they're doing. You gonna hit something in view this time? Want some good lightning shot before I move out of Kansas. Okay? This here is exactly what I'm gonna miss out here. Like, oh, I'm gonna miss the storms for sure. But Seattle has their fair share of stuff, so I'm not too concerned. I like that, but blow up a tree in the yard. Like, not that tree, that's gonna cut power. Like, blow up the pear tree. I hate that thing. Anyways. Make sure there's a partridge on it first. Anyways. The lightning is amazing. That is weird. Got more storms. Yay. Lightning tried to kill me. Why are you lighting up? Checking my hair to see if it's frizzy. Nope, not frizzy. Good. Making sure it's not trying to stand up with like static electricity and stuff, because that's a sign about to get electrocuted. There's that Tacoma again. Why do you keep lighting up? We may have more very close lightning. So we're still getting lightning to the west. That's interesting. Also note there is a chance of severe weather along the bus route, coinciding where in the part of the bus route I would be. So if anything happens along the bus route at one of the bus stops while in the bus moving, at one of the layaways, whatever, layovers, I will record it. Because like I said, highlights of the trip uploaded when I get to Washington. Auburn, Washington, so... Like I said, foreclosed lightning.